Today we will continue with the topic preparation of aldehydes. Two methods. The first one, Rosen-Mund reaction, and second, Stephan reaction. You can also call them reduction. These two reactions were done by us. Okay. And we have to continue with the further more reactions for preparation of aldehydes only. Okay, previously we have done methods which were for aldehydes and ketones common. Now we are doing which can be used to prepare only aldehydes. So Rosen-Mund reduction was done, Stephan's reduction or reaction was also done. So let us just again continue with the Stephan's reaction, in which nitriles are used to react with SnCl2 plus 2HCl as a source of hydrogen to reduce this, and as an intermediate RC double bond NH, which are known as imines, are formed, which on hydrolysis form RCH double bond O plus NH3 plus H2O. Okay, so this was Stephan's reaction. Now, here the reducing agent used is SnCl2 plus 2HCl. Other reducing agents can also be used to convert nitriles into aldehyde. Now, when other reagents are used, that time it will not be known as Stephan's reaction. Okay, so now third method we are going to start. In which a reagent dibyl H is used as a reducing agent to convert nitriles into aldehyde. Okay. Now what is this dibyl H? This we have to see. It is diisobutyl aluminium hydride. Okay. It is written as I-butyl dialuminium hydride. You can write it like this. And now what is isobutyl? 1, 2, 3, and on the second carbon atom, iso situation condition. Okay, CH and CH2. This is isobutyl. So two such groups are bonded to aluminum because aluminum is trivalent. So one more such group, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3 and H. This is diisobutyl aluminium hydride, which is a reducing agent. Okay, this H will help in the reduction of nitriles to aldehyde. Okay, so on the arrow we will write aluminium hydride. This will convert nitriles into aldehyde by the same way. First imines will be formed and then they will convert into aldehyde. Okay, dibyl H is one of the reagents which stops the reduction at aldehydic stage. Now one more specialty of dibyl H is there, that if nitriles, let us take one example, suppose CH3, CH2, CH double bond C H, then C triple bond N, means a nitrile which also has a double bond in the chain. If it is reduced using dibyl H, then it causes reduction of nitrile into aldehyde without affecting the double bond. CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH, and this will be CHO. Okay, so this is a specialty of dibyl H. It selectively reduces nitriles into aldehyde. Now, this dibyl H can also be used to convert esters into aldehyde. Not only nitriles, the same reagent can convert esters also in aldehydes. Let us see the reaction for that. CH3, CH2 whole 9, COO, C2H5. This is a ester. When treated with dibyl H, aluminium hydride, then it is converted into aldehyde CH3, CH2 whole 9, CHO. Okay, plus C2H5, this part, OH, alcohol. Okay, so this reagent can be used to prepare aldehydes either by using nitriles or by using esters. So this is third method in which reduction is taking place. Okay. Now we come to next method for preparation of aldehydes. Fourth method, that is Gattermann-Koch reaction. Gattermann-Koch reaction. The starting material in this reaction is benzene. Benzene is made to react with CO plus HCl. Now see, the best way to remember in Gattermann-Koch reaction, CO is used as a reagent to react with benzene in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and C2Cl to form benzaldehyde. Okay, this is Gattermann-Koch reaction for preparation of aromatic aldehydes. Clear? Next reaction from hydrocarbons. Preparation of aldehydes using hydrocarbons, and specifically this is for preparation of aromatic aldehydes. Okay, so under the heading from hydrocarbons, now there are subheadings. How by using hydrocarbons we can prepare benzaldehyde. One way to do it is that by side chain halogenation. Okay, by side chain halogenation. When methyl benzene or toluene is reacted with halogen, chlorine, bromine in presence of light H nu, then halogenation of the side chain occurs CH2Cl. This is benzyl chloride, which on further reaction with halogen is converted into CHCl2. Now this is benzyl chloride. This is benzyl chloride. Okay, it is converted into benzyl chloride, which on hydrolysis is converted into a unstable intermediate CH. Halogens are replaced and OH groups are introduced. Now when OH groups are introduced, then water molecule is lost and what is left is benzene ring CH and O. CH and O. Benzaldehyde is prepared. So, by side chain halogenation of methyl benzenes or toluene, we can get benzaldehyde. Okay, so this is one of the method. By using hydrocarbons, we can convert methyl benzenes into benzaldehyde. And this is a type of oxidation reaction. The previous reactions which we have seen, Rosenmund reaction, Stephan reaction or reaction with double H, those all reactions were reduction reactions. This reaction is a oxidation reaction. Methyl group is oxidized to aldehydic group. Okay. Now under the same heading, from hydrocarbons, now we come to another method, and also it is a important name reaction, just like Getterman-Koch reaction is a name reaction. So we come, this is first, now we come to the second method. Okay. The second method is Itard reaction. Again, it is a name reaction, Itard reaction. What is there in Itard reaction? When methyl benzenes or toluene is made to react with chromyl chloride CrO2 Cl2 is chromyl chloride. Okay, with chromyl chloride in presence of CS2 carbon disulfide, then in first step CH and this is introduced here as OCrCl2. Two molecules are needed, OCrCl2 OH. Okay, this is a brown color complex, brown complex intermediate formed, which on hydrolysis is converted into benzaldehyde. This reaction is a Itard reaction when methyl benzenes are treated with chromyl chloride to form benzaldehyde. Okay. Similarly, one more reaction is there under the heading from hydrocarbons. So, from hydrocarbons by side chain halogenation, from hydrocarbons by Itard reaction, and from hydrocarbons by using CrO3, chromic anhydride dissolved in acetic anhydride. Okay, by using chromic anhydride in acetic anhydride, CH3CO whole twice O. Then same methyl benzene we will take, reacting with CO whole twice O, CrO3. Okay, this can also be written as, if you want to expand it and write, we can write it like this: CH3CO, CH3CO. Instead of writing whole twice, we are writing it in the open form. Okay, then again an intermediate CH is here, and this will be added as OCCH3, OCCH3, OCCH3 will be added. Okay, then this is an intermediate. Again, on hydrolysis of this molecule, we are going to get CH and O, benzaldehyde. Okay, so benzaldehyde is obtained as a product by using CrO3 in acetic anhydride. So these are all methods of preparation of aldehydes, aliphatic aldehydes as well as aromatic aldehydes. So by now we have discussed common methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Then we have discussed about the methods of preparation of only aldehydes. Now there are few methods which are used only for ketones. We cannot use them for preparing aldehydes. So let us see those methods. Now, first method, preparation of not aldehydes, ketones. Okay, preparation of ketones. First method, using dialkyl cadmium. What is dialkyl cadmium? R2CD is dialkyl cadmium. Now, dialkyl cadmium is needed to be prepared. It is not already prepared. So, how it is prepared? First, we see to that. From CdCl2, cadmium chloride, which is a stable compound. Using this compound, when we are using Grignard reagent RMgX, okay, then this will be forming CdR2 from this plus MgX and Cl. Now it is prepared from Grignard reagent. Now this R2CD is made to react with RCOCl, acid chloride. That means actual reactant in this reaction is RCOCl, which is reacting with CdR2. When this reaction is taking place, let us differentiate between the two R dash here and two molecules of it will be required. Then it will result in the formation 2R dash CO and R from here plus CdCl2 will be byproduct in this reaction. Okay, so this is preparation of ketone using dialkyl cadmium, in which ketones are prepared. Okay, now second method. Second method is from nitriles using or with Grignard reagent. Okay, directly by using nitriles with Grignard reagent. Now we will write the reaction. One nitrile, suppose CH3, C triple bond N, we are taking nitrile. When it reacts with Grignard reagent, that is CH3 MgBr. Okay, so partial positive, partial negative. This will acquire negative, this will acquire positive. So it makes the product easier. So CH3 will go here. It will be CH3 C bond with CH3. Double bond will be now present here instead of triple, and N was here already. MgBr, positive part will go to negative. This will be a intermediate. Okay, this intermediate on hydrolysis will form a ketone, that is CH3. C double bond O will come here and CH3, this is a ketone. Okay, plus byproduct will be there, NH3, and will result in ammonia formation, plus MgBr and OH. Okay, so this is second method of preparation of ketones only from nitriles using Grignard reagent. Aromatic ketones can also be prepared using this method. Okay. Now last method, which is again a repetition method, again and again that comes. That method is your Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay. So Friedel-Crafts acylation is not a new reaction. As we begin studying about aromatic compounds, this is the most common type of reaction. In Friedel-Crafts acylation, if benzene is acylated, okay, if benzene is acylated using RCOCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, then as a product COR group is introduced and HCl as byproduct is formed, and this is a ketone. Okay, so ketones can also be prepared by Friedel-Crafts acylation of benzene. So this completes your preparation methods of aldehydes alone and ketone alone. Now we will start with in the next class we will start with the chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones.